Hey, you know what's sadder than a ventriloquist? Having a really old desktop computer. And now that Windows 7 is on the market, it's time to go ahead and bite the bullet and upgrade so you're not sad like that ventriloquist. This is a very interesting upgrade because it's not very much more expensive than actually buying an entire license, and you get an entire system. We're going to tell you all about it here in just a sec. Check this out. This is the Systemax Ascent K24 tower. It's built and supported in the United States of America, and it's loaded with Windows 7 Professional. Now, what I'd like you to do really quick is take a look at this. Windows 7 Professional license, full license costs what, $299 for Windows 7 Professional, I believe? And take a look at the price of this computer right now. Exactly. Right. For like less than $100 more, you can get a full system. This thing has an Athlon II X2 240, 2.8 gigahertz processor on this thing, 2 gigs of DVDRW RAM. It does have Windows 7 Professional pre-installed, 160 gigabyte hard drive. It does have a DVDRW, and it has integrated GeForce 6100 graphics, okay? So this is not a barn burner, but it is a really solid system that comes preloaded with the hottest new operating system on the planet, and it's not very much more expensive at all. So when you look at it along with the price of Windows 7, this is a very high value system and very upgradable, a perfect place to start if you already have components that you say want to transfer to another system, or if you just don't want to spend a ton of money or a ton of time building your own. Take a look at this, the Systemax Ascent K24. Now, up in the front, it's a very simple layout. You do have your DVDRW drive located right up here. Below that, you're going to find your USB ports and your typical headphone and microphone ports, and of course your power port located right up here. It's a very basic case. Very nice, though. It is going to fit in just about any spot in your room. Very standard tower size. Now, when you get on the inside of this thing, actually, before I show the inside, why don't I show you the back? Let's show you all the ports and stuff first. You can see that you do have plenty of expansion ports right here. All of the hardware that's inside this PC is integrated. So any extra add-on cards that you already have or that you would plan to add into this computer, you're going to have plenty of space for those. You do have your line-in headphone and microphone port all located right over here. You're also going to have your Ethernet, 4 USB ports, a VGA, serial, and PS2 ports all located on the back as well. Now, when we take a look at the inside of this system, you're going to find that it is a very simple layout in here. There is your 160 gigabyte hard drive located right here. DVDRW is right up here. You can see those are both SATA drives. You have one 2 gigabyte SIM in here, but you have one slot that is available. This is a 2-slot motherboard that you're looking at right here. You have a PCI Express slot, PCI X1, and you've got your standard PCI slots located right below that as well. So there's lots of space to work with inside of this computer, and you're not going to really have any problem fitting any of your other peripherals, either from a previous build or that you may be getting in the future to this system. So if you've been holding out, maybe you're still running XP, maybe you just haven't taken the leap on buying a new system in a long time, you don't want to spend a whole lot of money on it, your timing couldn't be more perfect. Now you can get this system with Windows 7 Professional pre-installed for what the system ends up being like $100 when you add on the price of what Windows 7 would cost you for just to get that. So go take a look at this, the Systemax Ascent K24 or K24. It's up to you. I'm not really sure. To get more info on the Systemax Ascent K24 tower with the Athlon II X2 processor built in, go to com.pewter.tv and search for Systemax Ascent K24. For Computer TV, I'm Bauer.